Hi fam, good morning! Maayong adlaw, maayong buntag! And it's post Valentine's and it's to celebrate our family day. Naman, on Monday, instead of staying in Calgary, nagplan ang mga kapamilya natin dito sa Calgary na mag-Canmore!
Yeah, we did it also last
Yeah.
year.
So, lagi talaga kaming merong isang winter na pupunta doon.
Yeah.
Siyempre, to check at para makita kung gaano kaganda ngayon ang winter sa Canmore and Banff. And
Kakaiba.
dadagdag na rin kami, magjo-Johnston Canyon din. So, last summer, pumunta tayo doon. Ngayon naman, winter naman tayo ngayon pupunta. So, tara fam! And it's gonna be a long day for the family again. Let's go!
Count to 100, Leon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. Leon, actually count to 7. 7.
Hi fam!
On our way na.
On our way! Excited ng family at makakapagbakasyon ulit. Last na bakasyon namin, Japan pa. Yeah. Okay, so driving lang. Siguro mga around 45 minutes. Doon tayo pupunta sa A&W.
Meet up.
Meet up. Hi fam! First stop over ang the very famous A&W dito sa Highway 1 going to Banff and Canmore. So dito talaga nagmi-meet up ang mga tiga Calgary para bago tumuloy kung saan man sa Canmore and Banff. So breakfast muna tayo, wala pa sina Kuya and Joseph. Tayo ang nauna. Oh yeah! So gutom na ako at gusto ko ng kape. Okay, so pili-pili for breakfast. And ito ang family. So, eggs, Kuya. You want eggs? Sit down properly, please. Fam! So, papunta na kami. Kakatapos na namin mag-breakfast after 1 hour.
Bibi,
So,
alis.
ngayon, papunta na talaga kami. So, let's go, let's go!
Hello fam, and we just reached Canmore. And look at this view. Parang spring na talaga siya. Fam, ang vibe. Pero syempre, malamig pa rin sa labas.
We go
It's
-7.
-7, pero feels
degrees.
like 12 yan.
Oo.
Around there.
15 pa kasi. Sa lamig. Tsaka sa hangin. So, we're on our way to Johnston Canyon.
Inumaga na kami. Kasi napatagal ang aming breakfast.
Breakfast. Napasarap ng
Napasarap
kwentuhan.
ng kwentuhan. So, we're heading to Johnston. Mga another 40 minutes pa.
Okay. So, excited na kami. At aakyat ulit tayo. So, magpo-full pack tayo mamaya. Kasi nga,
Hiking.
malamig.
Mga 30 minutes, walk one way tayo dun sa first, sa falls.
First falls lang. First falls.
Doon lang tayo, pa-sweet lang.
Level 1 lang.
Kasi nakapunta na kami doon nung summer fam. Kami ng mga kids. So, pag summer, okay siyang akitin. Kasi syempre, naka-ano ka lang, shorts, diba, naka-jacket lang. Pero ngayon medyo kailangan natin mag-full pack kasi nga, malamig pa rin. Winter vibe pa rin naman actually. It's just sobrang deceiving tong napaka-sunny na tirik na araw ng Alberta. So, see ya!
Welcome to Banff. Ayun, so nandito na kami sa Banff, fam. At funny kasi nakalimutan naming lahat bumili ng Banff Pass. So sina Joseph lang ang merong pass, kami ay wala. So pupunta kami dito sa office ng Banff para makabili. At chine-check ko lang ang aking plate number. Check natin yung plate number ng sasakyan. 39. Yan ang ating main man. Stephen Lai.
Welcome to the channel.
Like and subscribe.
Don't forget
Stephen
to
Lai.
hit like and subscribe. Kasama natin Alba Fam Bam!
Yeah.
Yeah. Mukhang magko-coffee run kami sa Starbs.
Sa Starbs.
Sa Starbs. Siyempre, Tagalasol bro.
Dapat Starbs.
Starbs.
Yan. Dito tayo sa Banff Visitor Center.
Yeah.
Ito, oh. Parks Canada. Yan. Done, fam. And check out some of the wildlife. Ganun lang kadali bumili ng pass dito. So yan fam, balik na tayo dun sa sasakyan. At punta na tayo ng Johnston Canyon.
And there you go, fam. Johnston Canyon. Malapit na tayo. Entering.
19 minutes.
So, entrance pa lang to.
Ano, ganda oh.
Look at the
Kita niyo
view,
ba yan?
fam.
Grabe talaga.
Watch out for the pigs.
Watch out.
Ay, ang ganda ng shot mo na yan ah. Fam, tingnan nyo naman gaano kaganda yan. The Enchanted Forest leading to Johnston Canyon. Tsaka dapat bumulong dito. Parang Resorts World Manila.
Nag-promote ka pa dyan. And, iba yung way na dinaanan namin before, I think. Kasi from Lake Louise kami nun. So dito, from Banff naman. So parang mas...
Salubong to salubong. Other way. Pero okay din kasi ang ganda nung ano.
Ang
ganda
scenery.
din ng
Look at that.
Green pines, Christmas tree.
Yep.
Yan. We're arriving! Nandito na kami!
Hello.
Johnston Canyon.
Let's go. Nana, look at this. Hi, Nana. Hi, Nana. Is this a music movie? Mommy, I saw you in
Sis, baka pag nakita, let's go home!
And mag-walk na tayo, fam. Look at this beauty. Yes! Aray. Nakapunta na rin kayo dito.
Summer!
Oo. Kami din summer.
And, saan tayo pupunta, Lian?
You know.
I don't know. We're walking in the snow na. Oh, kaya? Ha?
We are going hiking.
We're going hiking in Johnston.
Canyon. Yeah. There you go.
Nung pumunta kami dito, first time, summer. Sobrang ganda dito, Mi.
Ice cream dyan. Ngayon, sobrang snowy. Kasi winter vibe pa. There you go. Walang ice cream.
No ice cream.
There you
No
go.
ice cream. Move on the side, move on.
Lian!
Ayan, isa sa picture taking photos ng mga kids. Oh, naka-ready na si Kuya. And dito kami bumibili fam ng ice cream
Davon, dito
pag
ka.
summer or
You're the
fall.
boys. Sit down there. Oopsie.
Yan fam, walking na ang family. Let's go! 30 minutes, Lower Falls ang target natin. So medyo kayang-kaya naman yan. And look at that. Ayan fam oh. Wala, tuyo yung ano. Tuyo yung river. So, ayan fam. And medyo delikado to for the kids, so focus muna tayo. Ayan, maliksi to sina Kuya Davon and Lianica eh. So, alright. Mamaya ulit. Ayan fam, ganda ng tanawin no. Parang nasa abroad no. Parang nasa abroad eh no. Ganda eh. Hiking Johnston Canyon. Lower Falls 30 minutes. Upper Falls 1 hour. Ink Pots 3 hours. Stranger. Down. And a little bit of history, fam. Go. 1927. Parks Canada, 1974. Nice one. Ganda naman.
One.
Daddy.
Wow. Oh, frozen na yun, oh. Yun pa mo. Mini falls yan eh. Frozen na siya ngayon. There you go, fam.
Lian,
Ganda ng view.
please. Keep right. Let them.
Ayan, medyo
Yeah,
madaming tao
I've
pa
been
rin
to
kahit na malamig. Hep hep! Mga kababayan! Nandito tayo sa Johnston! Hep hep!
Lian.
The icicle. Oh.
Yeah, eto fam yung magandang passage. Nasa gilid talaga siya ng canyon. Ginawan lang nila ng paraan. Yan o. Okay, ganda.
Daddy, I wanna hike.
Bising-busy ang Seth and Lai oh. Let's go! Yan o. Ganda nito bro oh. Oh, nasa gilid yung ano, ginawa nila ng daan lang talaga.
Baba.
Oh, frozen yung river sa taas. Yun fam, oh, kita niyo sa baba. Dumadaloy pa rin siya fam. Talaga. Pero sa taas, frozen lahat. Super ganda, super ganda.
Ha?
So nandito na kami fam, parang halfway point to. Or lagpas naman siguro ng half. At look at that. Yan yung blue fam. Parang glacier siya. Ang ganda tingnan. Let's go. Miriam in Canada. Yan, pahinga ang mga kids. Ha? Aking magandang asawa. Ice. And the girls.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yan.
Alian, come here, come here. Come here.
Ayan, voice naman. Lian! Excuse me, Lian. Lian, sama ka doon.
Doon muna.
Lian, come here.
Doon muna, kuya.
Ay, sama mo na. Sige na, sama mo na yan.
Hindi naman kami sensitive.
Okay. Yay! Good job.
Need to say, I want lechon. Bilis.
I want ice cream. I want ice cream.
Tingnan nyo naman fam. Puting-puti na yung paligid nila. Gusto pa ng ice cream ng mga bata. And there you go. Meron ulit na road dito. Or walkway path. Or walk path. Nasa gilid mismo. Ng canyon. Ganda. Yan fam. The family.
To the light. Oh, not the bench. The bench is closed.
The bench is closed. Please don't feed the animals. It's broken. You know. Ooh.
Whoa, woodchuck chuck.
Wow. With the woodchuck wood. Look at that. Ganda din ng beauty niya talaga. Ibang beauty. Pag winter naman. Wow. Amazing. Okay, another section of the canyon na hindi natin pwedeng palagpasin.
I'm having fun
Ganda.
while I need a hiking stick.
Wow. Look at that.
Daddy.
This is really nice. This is really nice. Look at that, ate. Is it nice? Ganda, ate Chloe, no? Wow.
Icicle, bro. I'm gonna break it off.
Oh yeah, that one is icicle.
I'm gonna break that up. I'm gonna break that up.
Okay, let's go. Causing traffic. Let's go. There you go, fam. Mommy, tingin lang. Ganda. Wow.
I think
Amazing.
coming up to top.
Thank you, Lord.
They boom.
Wow.
Do you see that? Oh yeah. Wonderful weather they boom.
Wow. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Is that pretty?
I'm Sigma boy.
Ganda, fam. Ganda. Sobrang ganda.
Wait.
Tingnan nyo. Yung sa baba niya na river. Sabi yung lakas. Nagyayelo. Ice everywhere. Look at this canyon. Wow. Wow. Ito parang cliff, fam. Ganda. Wow. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
And We're here, Lower Falls. We're here, fam. Dito na kami sa Lower Falls. So fam, great thing. May pila pero konti lang. Dahil siguro winter din. Pero sobrang daming tao din eh. Pero ayun, great na konti lang yung pila, fam. Kasi last time na nandito tayo, hindi talaga tayo nakapunta dito sa loob. Yan. Parang lagoon dito, fam. And then nandun yung falls, which is frozen na siya. Yan. So lapitan natin through this cave. So at last makakapasok din tayo. So fam, tingnan itong rock na to. Laki. Binutasan lang talaga nila dito eh. Yan, oh. Binutasan lang nila. So ito yung lineup. Dati fam, nung summer, hanggang dun. So nung tinignan namin, grabe yung pila talaga. And good thing now, pwede tayo. So yan, dito ang family. Antay lang tayo ng turn natin. We're good to go. Kids. Yan, excited na. We're next. Wow. Parang feeling ko hindi yan malamig eh. Yung tubig na yan.
Kasi may tubig. Ito yung malamig na side.
Oo.
Yung may ice.
Pero yan, hindi yan malamig. Hindi yan malamig.
Heated siya kaya hindi ito ano ng ice.
Okay fam, ayan, nandito kami sa Israel. Bethlehem. Papasok na kami sa cave.
Davon! Lian, come on!
Slowly, slowly. Slowly. Ayan fam, medyo yuyuko ka pala dito. Yan. Please, please. Be careful. Do not go on the edge, please. The nature. Look how good this is. Frozen, fam. Frozen. We're done. Success ang ating waterfall. Lower Falls na punta. It's really, really good. Great experience. So, yung mga gustong pumunta dito, go, go, go. You need to experience the Johnston Canyon pag nandito kayo sa Banff National Park. Yan, so pababa na lang kami fam. Yan fam, so after nga namin, mahaba na yung pila paglabas namin dun sa cave. Or baka kami yung nag-cause ng pila. Anyway, pag late ka talaga dito pumunta, nagkakaroon talaga ng lineup. So, dapat maaga fam. Yan yung tip dito. And also, even the parking lot napupuno fam. So, delikado. Kasi syempre, minsan lang kayo nandito sa Banff tapos hindi pa kayo makakapunta dito. Then, sayang. So, ang tip, aagahan kailangan dito sa Johnston Canyon. The next one is, yan yung way going to Upper Falls, but we're not going there. Hanggang Lower Falls lang tayo. So, baba na tayo. So, we're going down now. Yan, dami na yung tao. Let's go. Yan, fam. So, iba naman ang view pababa. Ganda pa rin. Never enough. Ang view talaga. Always maganda. So yun yung stream kanina. Fam, mga tiga Canada na kids oh. Kaka-hike, mainit na daw. Naghubad na ng naghubad na ng hat niya. Init, is it hot?
What's that smoke, Daddy? I think I see.
Yan.
Daddy, could
Okay,
you
so
hold
pabalik
this?
na tayo. Tired na tired. Okay, let's go, let's go. O, tita mo it's catching up with us na. Let's go, let's go! Hello fam, so nasa baba na kami ng Johnston Canyon. And yeah, we had a really great time. Medyo mahaba pa ang araw natin. Pero I'm gonna end this video here. So, thank you again for watching. And hopefully, yung lahat ng mga taga Canada or nasa Canada, if you could visit Banff National Park, particularly dito sa Johnston Canyon, you need to try it. It's a good hike, family friendly siya, very comfortable pag summer. May mga ice cream dyan. Pag winter, wala. Pero sobrang ganda ng daan. It's worth the experience. 200% recommended fam. So hinihingal pa. For that, magla-lunch muna tayo. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you on the next video from Johnston Canyon, Alberta. Hang loose!
Yan yung
Well, fam, so
may
nag-iisip
bayad
na
to.
kami kung
Pero nandun
saan
na yung
kakain.
Nandiyan ako.
And we're going to Canmore. So saan kayo pupunta ngayon, bro?
Barbecue chicken. Tsaka Policeman's Creek.
Policeman's Creek, yan. Di pa natin na pupuntahan din yun. Ako lalo. So, check out natin. Parang walk past yun na maganda yung scenery. So, let's go!